Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, June 23rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video from Friday, linked at the end of this video over here. So we obviously are either looking at an A or a 1, we're either looking at a B or a 2 on this 4-hour time frame. Either we are in a wave 3 or a wave C. If it is a wave C, then it will go up, it will start breaking structure, proving that we need to start looking for longs again, especially if it eventually goes up and breaks this structure. Otherwise, if you do not see a break of structure, then it possibly is a wave 3, and if it is possibly a wave 3, then it definitely will continue to make lower lows and lower highs, telling us that we should be looking for sorting opportunities on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1-hour time frame, if you see 3 waves up, which this could be right here, or preferably, maybe something like that, then an impulsive move down, I would definitely take it as another sorting opportunity. On the other hand, if it does start to make its way up and start to break structure aggressively, then I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs again. I definitely personally, especially if you trade on the shorter time frames, would be looking for shorts until I get that break of structure though, at the end of 3-wave pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.